Mark.
And this is Mark.
And David.
Big
Redneck
Adventure. Today we're up in the backwoods of Bug Tussle,
Alabama.
Bear snapping.
Cracky.
This is a track.
What tracks? That was your track, who?
No, that track.
Oh, I see now. The bear track.
See that? That's a Great American Black Bear Wicks Sortena Red, but
no, just talk English. That's a bug tussling bear.
let's fly the way. You see? There's another.
Crikey, I found a track.
No, that's just where a deer rubbed.
Oh,
okay, let's go on. See what the thing
Close.
Wow! What's that? Oh, that's just rabbit poop. Sorry.
Yeah. Oh, wait, look, cricket.
Let's catch it.
You didn't catch it. It jumped.
That's on my wrist. Oh, look, there's the bear. Which one do you want to slap first?
Go right ahead.
I slapped the tiger first. I bet you slap the bear.
Watch as I slowly
He don't understand.
cross, not making any racket.
He don't understand that. That's not the real bear.
Ha! Oh, look at that bear.
Okay, it's my turn.
I think I knocked it out. You better run.
It's Actress. Let's run. Okay. David.
Hi, this is Mark.
This is Mark.
And David's
Redneck
Adventure.
Today we're going tater fishing. You remember old Tater? He showed us how to fire fish.
Poor guy. He never saw it coming.
Hey, he told us to use taters.
But what are we fishing for, Jim?
Oh, George.
Where's George at?
Over there.
Let's show him how to fish for George.
Dakota, stop that. Dylan, get him.
I hand trusty phone to old Marco.
Okay. First, you let go like this, and then you go. And you reel it slowly. Watch as George comes across. You see the bit of George right there? You look closely, he's moving into. Oh, there he goes. Slowly, you go. Oh, look at George jump. Reel him in. Ha ha! And then you got George the Tater. What you do with him after that is beyond me, but you got George the Tater. You want to try?
Yeah, I'll show you how to do it side-handed. It usually don't happen like that.
Lesson number 1. Don't let a left-hander use a reeling rod. George would get away.
That's old Marco over there. Now we're going to go to the next segment, which is Smack the Tiger.